Black diamonds, white brilliance, one show-stopping collision. Fire and Ice is up next on the Luxe Jewelry Edit. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to the Luxe Jewelry Edit. I'm Elizabeth Minieri and today I have the most incredible show for you of all black and white diamonds. Not just the most beautiful black and white diamonds you've ever seen, but the most exquisite settings and designs that you have ever seen. And of course, all for the one-of-a-kind pricing you have come to know, expect, and of course love from me and Gems. So get ready to shop. Starting today's show with the showstopper. I don't always do that, but this piece just so perfectly fit the name. Over a carat of white diamonds and a half carat of black diamonds. They are all round cut and it is set in 14 karat white and black rhodium gold. Let's take a moment and look at the design. So with the white diamond, you have a larger center stone here. And then you've got it going into one halo of the white diamonds, really close. Then we have the black diamonds with a little bit of space. So that just allows for such a great visual effect. Of course, the black diamond halo is carrying out off to the side. Then we have the white diamonds here on the side. It is all set, again, 14 karat white and black rhodium gold. This ring is available in a size 7, but keep in mind we can size our rings anywhere from 1, 1.5, maybe even 2 sizes. So if you are not a size 7, give us a call. Let's see if one of our on-site jewelers can adjust and size the ring to be exactly what you need. Look at this sparkle. So over 1.5 carats of total diamond weight between the white and the black diamonds. This ring is retailing on Gems for $2,710. My exclusive Luxe Jewelry Edit, get ready to shop right now, only because you are tuning in, price is $2,200. $2,200 for over 1.5 carats of a white and black diamond ring. So all of today's show is of course going to be the black and white diamonds, so the fire and the ice of diamonds. But the way they are put together and the designs and the art that our jewelers have created is absolutely incredible. This next ring is such a great example. The way they've used the black diamonds to create almost essentially a checkerboard pattern in the center with the white diamonds filling in. How eye-catching. This gives me sort of a 20s vibe. I don't know, it makes me think of that 20s flapper checkered floor. So beautiful, such a bold statement. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on because I think one of the things that is so beautiful about this ring is that surface. Black diamonds sparkle in such a unique way. They are so different from their white counterpart. Every bit is beautiful. I love how different and yet equally beautiful they are. Let's also look at the metalwork on this ring. So the cutaways here in the basket, following the same pattern all the way down the sides. The high polish finish all the way up to the front. And I don't know if you can tell, but this is a little bit raised. There is a slight doming to this setting that is bringing some of the sparkle more prominent. I think that's why we're getting so much sparkle here. This ring, we had almost a half carat of black diamonds and almost a 1/4 carat of the white diamonds. It is again all set in 14 karat white and black rhodium. We have this in a size 7. The price on this is going to blow your mind. Gems retail for this piece is $960. Your Luxe Jewelry Edit exclusive price, $775. Up next, we have none other than our Abigail Pick of the day. Her pick for this show did not surprise me in the least, and I don't think it's going to surprise you when you see it. For those of you that are new to this show, I have a very discerning 7-year-old daughter, and every episode she likes to pick her favorite, and we call that the Abigail Pick of the day. Now, naturally, when she saw these black and white diamond butterfly earrings, she lost her mind. she decided she absolutely needed to have these. She also had a design idea that they should be made in a variety of colors, so maybe jewelry designer is in her future, but she surely has absolutely incredible taste. We have over 3/4 of a carat of black diamond and just shy of a 1/4 carat of white diamond in these earrings. They are set in 14 karat white gold, and they are designed to sit at this slight angle. So this is how I have them positioned here, is exactly how they would sit on your ears. How pretty is that? This is one of those pieces. I love when I have a piece of jewelry that captures, I don't know, a bit of youth, a bit of innocence, something maybe that's a little bit more fun or cute. I feel like we don't get to do a ton of that as grown women. So this sort of brings a bit of a novelty to it with this piece because of the shape. But the diamond carat weight, how beautiful the diamonds are, that all lends itself to complete sophistication. So such a beautiful blend in these earrings. These would be an incredible add to any woman's jewelry box. I absolutely would wear these every day. These would be a great replacement for a daily diamond stud because they're gonna sit nice and high, nice and snug to your ear, so they're not gonna cause any problems in your day-to-day life, but just so much more personality and so much more sparkle than a conventional diamond stud. So again, we have just shy of a full carat of black diamonds, almost a 1/4 carat of white diamonds. It is all set in 14 karat white gold in a beautiful butterfly earring. Gems is retailing these for $14.80, but your Luxe Jewelry Edit exclusive price is $1,200. So I said our last piece was a great substitute for your more traditional stud earring, but I like to make sure I have something for everyone. I mean, all of our taste in jewelry is as varied and different as we are, and there are so many beautiful options. So this next earring would also take the place of a more traditional solitaire stud. Now, when you first look at these earrings, you might be thinking, Elizabeth, those are a solitaire stud. No, they're not. Believe it or not, this is 3/4 total carat weight of multiple individual stones with a larger stone set in the center. They've used white gold for the prongs and they have really put it in tightly so it gives the illusion, a beautiful illusion of a quite large solitaire stud, but this is actually multiple stones together. Such a creative design. What a great presence. I mean, this size stone in an individual solitaire stud would be crazy expensive. So by setting it to be multiple stones all together, putting them together so tightly, using the white gold as its setting, just such a great way to get a tremendous amount of impact on your ear. You look at the size of it next to my finger. I mean, that is a statement diamond stud. 3/4 total carat weight, round white diamond set in 14 karat white gold. Gems is retailing these earrings for $17.15. Your exclusive Luxe Jewelry Edit price, $13.75. If you are just now tuning in, welcome. I am so glad you're here. We have already gone over quite a few beautiful pieces and a few amazing deals. You can always catch the rebroadcast on YouTube. While you're there, make sure you subscribe to the page and turn your notifications on so you never miss an episode or a deal. This next necklace is a rare estate find. It is a full carat weight of diamonds and it is in baguette cut all throughout the pendant. And then we also have a beautiful princess cut diamond set up here, right at the very top on the bail. It is all set in 18 karat white gold. I also want to take a moment to point out the metalwork, the mill grain finish that we have going around both the princess cut stone and the outer and inner layer of the silhouette of the pendant itself. This is such a modern statement piece, absolutely beautiful, so different. I have never seen anything like this particular piece. I think the use of baguette just really creates such a neat visual aesthetic. And I love the little detail of the stone on the bail. A rare vintage estate find. We have a full carat weight between the baguette and the princess cut diamonds. It is all set in 18 karat white gold. The length of the chain on this necklace is 18 inches. It is retailing on Gems for $2,060. Your Luxe Jewelry Edit exclusive price, $1,650. This next piece is not only possibly one of my best deals of today's show, so stay tuned for that. I love a piece of jewelry that is just everyday decadence. Yes, I love my specialty pieces. I love my really sentimental pieces. I love the pieces that get brought out for our fancy date night or a special occasion. There is something about the pieces that I put on day in, day out that elevate the elegance of my look, give me that little boost of confidence, maybe even put a little bit of a smile on my face, because sparkle always makes me smile, and that is exactly what this next necklace is. A true classic design, we have a 1/2 carat weight of round diamonds set in 14 karat yellow gold on an 18-inch chain. You'll see that while it is not anchored, the way it is suspended from the chain, I want to show you, it is definitely going to be more stationary. I always love that feature personally in a necklace. Sometimes it can be a lot, especially in your everyday life when you're moving so much, to have a pendant that really moves around. So this is definitely going to be more stationary, even though it is not completely anchored. This open circle is also having a huge trend moment. I see this everywhere. Now, of course, I am probably seeing very cheap imitation, poor materials. Those are the types of things that we're seeing when we see trendy pieces. This particular piece is going to allow you to be a part of a trend. It is going to allow you to elevate your everyday look, and you are going to be able to do it all for, get ready for it, not $1,155 as it is currently retailing on Gems, but $950. A 1/2 carat of diamonds set in a beautiful everyday elegance necklace for under $1,000. That last deal blew my mind, but truly I have so many good deals coming throughout the rest of today's show, so make sure you stay tuned in. Also, never miss an episode. Every Thursday at 3 o'clock, every Sunday at 2, we have a new Luxe Jewelry Edit for you to come and see some one-of-a-kind pieces at one-of-a-kind prices, so make sure you set your notifications. This next ring is another great example of such a beautifully designed piece at a price point that is going to blow your mind. We have almost a 1/2 carat of total diamond weight, and we have that split between this center round stone. And then these are actually, believe it or not, when you look at the setting, it gives the illusion of being a princess cut, but these are actually round stones that they've just been done with 4 prongs. So it's always so interesting to me the way just the metal a stone is set in, or the prong style that it is used to secure, how much that can change the look of a stone. But in this case, it is round stones set in a 4-point prong, so it gives that illusion of a princess cut, contrasts and showcases the center round stone so beautifully. The ring is all set in 18 karat white gold, and I want to show the metal work on the basket and how it's just slightly raised, similar to what you would see in a halo style, but we've just put stones all over the top of the basket, the high polished finish on the sides. I love how they've left it without stones here on the sides. A lot of times you'll see stones going down the sides of a ring, but I think by leaving them out, it really makes this center pop. Kind of looks like the sun or a flower. I don't know, how would you describe it? Makes me think of both. It actually, if I'm being completely honest, it makes me think of the logo for Tangled, but that just might be my princess loving heart seeing it that way. I think most people might see it as a sun or a flower. This one-of-a-kind design, beautiful ring, just shy of a 1/2 carat total weight, all set in 18 karat white gold. This is a size 7. It is currently retailing on Gems for $1,550. Your Luxe Jewelry at an exclusive price, call, click, scan, but do not sleep on this deal, is $1,250, $1,250 for this one-of-a-kind piece. So we had a very similar necklace to this earlier in the show, and one of my favorite things with jewelry is to see how 2 pieces can be so similar, and yet subtle design details can make all the difference in the world. So to start, this necklace is actually set in white gold as opposed to the yellow gold that we saw earlier in the show. We also, instead of seeing all round diamonds going around this open circle, we're seeing a mix of baguette and round cut diamonds. So that just creates such a visual difference. Still this open circle design, which as I said before, is very on trend right now. You will see a lot of this, but not in the same quality that you are seeing here at Gems. Much like the other, this is anchored, but this is completely anchored so that you will see no movement here at all. This is anchored to the pendant itself. Again, it is that open circle design, and we have 3/4 carats between the baguette and the round diamonds, and it is all set in a 14 karat white gold. The length of this chain is 18 inches. 3/4 total carat weight of the baguette and round diamonds set in 14 karat white gold on an 18-inch chain. This necklace is retailing on Gems for $2,170. Your Luxe Jewelry Edit exclusive price, $1,750. We are adding a little bit of dangle with these next earrings. Loving the feminine design that we have here. A little bit of fun when you look at this. Kind of looks like the sun, kind of looks like a flower, and a little bit of a starburst. Now, you'll see the dangle. So these are definitely gonna dance in and play with the light, but they are only 1¼ inch from top to bottom, the entire earring. So it is not going to dangle so low that you could not wear this earring for every day. This is what I would call everyday decadence. It's a dangle, it's got a little bit of sparkle, it's gonna dance in the light and bring it up to your face, but it is not going to get in the way of your everyday activities, whether that's being a mom, whether that's going to work, whatever it is you do, you are absolutely going to be able to use these earrings to elevate your everyday style. You are seeing over a full carat weight of diamond, and they are of course round cut diamonds. It is all set in 14 karat white gold. These earrings are currently retailing on Gems for $2,570. But I have a Luxe Jewelry Edit exclusive price of $2,100. $2,100 for over a carat weight of diamond set in 14 karat white gold. Make sure you call, click, scan. Do not sleep on this price. Closing out today's show with an incredible deal and an incredible piece. If you are obsessed with the black and white combination, the black and white diamonds, you are going to swoon over this ring. So we've got this beautiful crisscrossing, but in a soft, subtle swoon of black diamonds. But I love the softness. So instead of a harsh crisscross, we have more of a subtle wave, and it is eternity style, the band. So it is going all the way around. You have the diamond work all the way around the entirety of the ring. That is both the black diamonds in the center as well as the white diamonds that are going along the top. We have a full ½ carat of white diamonds and over a full carat of black diamond weight in this ring. It is all set in 14 karat white gold. This ring is a size 7. Now, I know everything I show you is a one-of-a-kind piece and a one-of-a-kind price, but with rings, we also have the added element of sizing. So if you are a size 7, you are going to want to run, to call, to click, to scan, however you are ordering, depending on where you are watching from, you are going to want to move because everybody else that's a size 7 is going to be doing the same, and I've only got the one. Over 1½ carats total diamond weight between the black and white diamonds in this showstopper of a ring. Gems is currently retailing it for $37.65, but your Luxe Jewelry Edit exclusive pricing is $2,500. This ring is going to fly. If you are a size 7, get on calling, clicking, or scanning for this ring at $2,500. It is not going to last. That brings us to the end of today's show. I had the best time showing these pieces to you today. I had some even better than usual deals, so hopefully you are able to take advantage of them. If you are just kind of jumping on, catching the end of this show, head over to YouTube, watch today's show, then make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification so that you never miss another show, never miss another one-of-a-kind piece of jewelry at a one-of-a-kind incredible price. I cannot wait to come back next time. As always, I would love for you to follow me over on Instagram at Elizabeth.Minieri and tag me, send me pictures, send me messages of all the beautiful pieces that you get from my shows. I will see you soon.